Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open a Lloyds Bank account online. So this is very helpful because you can do the whole process on your phone without going into a branch, and it only takes a few minutes to get started. So first, download the Lloyds app on your phone, and once you open it, you'll be taken to the main screen where you can begin the application. So from there, tap on open a bank account with us, and once you do that, the app will guide you to the next step so that you can begin setting up your account. Next, the app will ask if you're new to Lloyds. So since this is for opening a new account, select yes, I'm a new customer, then tap next. After that, you'll see a question asking what they can help you with today. So this is simply asking what type of service or account you want to open. So here you'll choose current account. The next screen will ask what kind of account you're looking for. So this is where you can pick the account that matches your situation. So in this example, the choice is student, but you should choose the option that fits best for you. And for that, if it asks whether you're an international student, just choose the answer that applies to you. So in this case, select no. Then you'll see a short progress screen. And once that's finished, tap next. Now, the application will ask for your personal details. You'll need to enter your first name, middle name, and last name exactly as they appear on your passport or valid ID. So this part is very important because the details need to match your documents. After that, continue through the next pages and fill in the rest of your information step by step. And from there, the app will usually ask for more basic details like your contact information and other personal information needed for the application. And just read each page carefully and make sure everything is correct before tapping next. After filling everything in, you'll get to the identity check part. So this is where you may need to confirm who you are using your passport or another valid ID. So just follow the instructions on the screen and enter or show the details exactly as they appear on your document. Make sure the information matches what you typed earlier so that there won't be any problem. So there won't be any problems with the application. So once that's done, you move to the final review section. So in here, the app gives you a chance to look over everything you entered before submitting. So take a moment to check your name, details, and anything else you added. And when everything looks right, go ahead and submit the application. After submitting it, the app will process your request and show you the next instructions on the screen. At that point, you basically completed the sign up process, and all that's left is to follow whatever final step Lloyds gives you inside the app. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next one.